Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking the bank or your sanity. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's going to blow your propellers off. On the left, we have the Hiturbo drone with a 1080p camera, and on the right, the TOMZON Air 23 mini drone. Let's dive in and see which one of these flying gadgets deserves a spot in your gadget arsenal. First up, let's talk about price. Hiturbo here is rocking a price tag of $79. Not too shabby for a drone with a full HD camera. But then, TOMZON enters the chat with a price of just $39. That's right, folks, for the price of a fancy pizza night, you can be the proud owner of a mini drone. So if your wallet is tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving, TOMZON is the clear winner here. Now let's get to the juicy part, the camera and features. Hiturbo boasts a 1080p camera that you can adjust to capture those epic skateboarding tricks or inspect your roof for that pesky leak. It's like having your very own flying camcorder. On the other hand, TOMZON, well, it doesn't have a camera. But hey, it's got some cool tricks up its sleeves like 3D flips and auto rotation. It's like that one friend who can't take a decent photo but can do a backflip at every party. Reviewers appreciate Hiturbo's camera quality for stunning aerial shots, while TOMZON's tricks and ease of use make it a fun gadget for all ages. Let's talk flight time. Hiturbo gives you 12 minutes per battery, with 2 batteries included, totaling 24 minutes of aerial fun. TOMZON, on the other hand, offers 9 minutes per battery, with 2 batteries for a total of 18 minutes. So if you're looking to extend your fun in the sky, Hiturbo's got the edge here. But if you're just looking to impress your friends with some quick stunts, TOMZON's got you covered. Reviewers note that while Hiturbo has a slightly longer flight time, TOMZON's compact size and quick charging make it convenient for short bursts of fun. Ease of use is a biggie, especially if you're a newbie. Hiturbo is pretty user-friendly with features like altitude hold, one-key takeoff/landing, and voice control. Plus, no manual pairing required. It's like the drone equivalent of plug and play. TOMZON, though, is the real MVP for beginners. One key takeoff and throw to go? It's like the drone version of just add water. Perfect for kids and adults who don't want to read a manual longer than a novel. Reviewers highlight Hiturbo's intuitive controls and TOMZON's simplicity, making both drones accessible for beginners. Last but not least, build quality and safety. Hiturbo's got a sturdy build, but TOMZON is like the indestructible toy you had as a kid. It's made of tough materials and has propeller guards for double protection. So if you're prone to crashing into trees, walls, or your sibling's face, TOMZON might just be your best bet. Reviewers appreciate Hiturbo's durability but rave about TOMZON's ruggedness and safety features, making it ideal for rough play. Reviewers generally find the Hiturbo drone with 1080p camera to be a feature-rich and user-friendly option for both kids and adults, particularly praising its camera quality and flight capabilities. On the other hand, the TOMZON A23 mini drone is celebrated for its affordability, ease of use, and durable build, making it a popular choice for beginners and children. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a drone with a decent camera and longer flight time, Hiturbo is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and want a fun, easy-to-use drone for some quick aerial tricks, TOMZON is the winner. Either way, you're in for a good time. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Check out the product links in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.